In this video, we will be demonstrating on how to connect your ProPhoto AirRemote with your camera to wirelessly control and trigger the flash. The AirRemote connects to the camera via the hot shoe. There is one point of contact on the AirRemote. To connect, slide on the AirRemote to the hot shoe. It is important that the menu system faces the user. If the connection is not made, slide off the hot shoe and using a cleaning cloth, wipe down the metal contacts to remove any dirt that may be getting in the way of the contact. In this next section, we will be talking through the menu system of the AirRemote. First, we will turn the AirRemote on by pressing the on button. Here we can see a red indicator telling us what channel we are currently on. Here we are on channel 1. Below is the next two options, mode and test. Between the mode button and the test button are the two mode options. The first one, transmit, and the second, receive. By selecting the mode button, make sure that the indicator is on transmit. Next, we will need to turn on our flash head. By selecting channel set, we will need to select channel 1 as our flash head channel to match the AirRemote. Once selected, press test on the AirRemote to establish the channel works. Here we can see that the flash head has now flashed and the connection is established. In the next section, we will look at how to wirelessly control the head, the model, and the energy levels wirelessly from the AirRemote. Before we do, we need to make sure that both the AirRemote and the flash head are on the same group letter. At the bottom, we can see that currently group B is selected. To change the group, press the group button. This will then cycle through the group letters. Now we must establish on the flash head that the same group is selected. By pressing the channel sets button again and pressing in the middle dial, we can cycle through the same group letters. Now that also B is selected, a connection is established. Now that both groups have been selected, we can control the head, the model, and the energy levels. To begin with, the head. By selecting the head on or off, we can remotely turn off our flash head. By selecting the model on and off, we can remotely turn on the modelling lights or turn off the modelling lights. Now by selecting the plus and the minus of the energy levels, we can control the flash output. By holding the plus and minus buttons down for a continued period of time, this will change the icon by a whole stop. We have now introduced a second flash head. By selecting channel set, we have established that it is on the same group and the same channel. Now that both flash heads are in group B, by changing the wireless settings, both flash heads will change. If we were to change the second flash head to a different group, we will be able to independently change the settings of that flash head to the other flash heads. To do this, we will need to make sure that the AirRemote is on the same group letter.